อยากค่ะ
Construction game! Hi guys! Take a look at this cool truck we are going to put together from our construction set. It's a huge off-road vehicle, a monster truck.
Hooray! Monster truck!
Let's start with a tubular chassis and leaf spring suspension. Our monster truck needs huge wheels with deep treads. They won't get stuck in mud or snow. Now, let's add the coil springs to reduce impact shocks. We'll attach the frame. Let's put the body on the frame. In the body of a real monster truck, there is a sturdy frame made of metal pipes which protects the driver. Our monster truck needs a powerful engine. By the way, most of the monster truck's engines do not operate on gasoline, but on alcohol. Instead of the usual bumper, let's add a big steel bumper on the front. And finally, the last parts, headlights. Hooray! The monster truck is ready! It will be able to drive off-road and to participate in the car show.
Cool! Wow! Amazing! Whee! Uh-oh! Super! Smash! Oh, power jump!